Welcome to a quick tutorial on making abstract data types with Snap. After making 4 short little lists with 2 items in each, we're going to place them inside a separate list that's going to contain and hold these 4 little items. Now we will make 3 items that will have a first and a last name in each little list, and then place all of those in another list that's going to contain the 3 sets of names. The question is, what information is actually contained in these 2 lists? We know the first list has a couple of numbers in each list element, and the second one has a couple of names in each element. But what do they really mean? After a while, there really is no meaning. So what we're going to do now is to create something called a reporter block in order to give meaning to what these 2 list items are. This reporter, called points, will simply echo the X and Y, or the 2 elements that are in the list. So as you can clearly see, if this upper large list contains a whole bunch of these green blocks that says point, and then the next item says point, and the next item says point, it would be pretty clear that this top list is a list of points, and you would automatically infer that the 2 numbers that are inside the white boxes would be the X and the Y coordinates. Now we're going to do the same thing and make a reporter called student for the bottom list. Now as we put this reporter inside the list, we can clearly see that the bottom list now is a list of students, no longer just a whole bunch of names. After setting these 2 long lists into a variable, you can see now on the screen how a list of lists would be displayed. Abstract data types, or ADTs, is a very important concept in programming and easy to build in Snap, but it is actually a terrible name. Abstract tends to denote something that is strange or hard to understand, but in reality, abstract data type provides the programmer with a way to define and name something so that it is clear to understand in the code. The last part of this tutorial will show you how to build some selectors, which is a way to pick out the individual elements inside an abstract data type so that we can use use it in other parts of the program.